My name is Glory. I've graced your studio today.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You have absolutely no idea. I used to have a very long hair. Poor management made me barb it. Scald, yes. Okay. I barbed my head. I started to regrow it. I noticed my edges. I don't know whether it is receding also, but my hair was a bit long, but the edges was no longer there again. I think I'm attributing that to either the kind of hairdos I usually make. So because of that, the confidence to carry my natural hair out wasn't there anymore. The majority of the time when I want to go out, I have to tie my hair or probably wear wigs. And imagine how tiring it could be. There are times you just want to just make like twists, go out with your hair, breeze and everything. But I had to call you. I said, babes, I've been seeing the wonders of the Lord on your hair. I'm sorry, I've been seeing the wonders of the Lord on your hair. Please, I want my hair to be like you, especially my edges, and that's why I'm here today. I really hope this project Hairlo would bring out the beauty of my hair, because they will be sick of me if this my front hair comes out. Very, very sick.
Now, your confidence is going to definitely come back after Project Hairlo. That is what you can trust.
Thank you.
Project Hairlo is hair revival, and for this volume 1 we'll be using Glory's hair. So the idea is to use only Daphne Pepper products and recommendation to fix her hair. And like she said, most importantly, her edges. She needs help with her edges because her edges are receding, and apparently it has affected her confidence to wear her hair out. She's either tying a scarf or she's putting on a wig. So this is the first day that she came to the studio, and the first thing we'll be doing is to wash her hair and deep condition it. Also, we'll be masking. Now for the masking, we'll be using the deep conditioner, this Lux Repair deep conditioner, and we'll be adding some herbs to it. Now in this herb we have nettle leaves, horsetail, moringa, also green coffee powder, and we'll be applying it, and we'll be letting it stay for like 40 minutes to 1 hour before we rinse off. Now you can always do 30 minutes to 40 minutes, it still works. And we are doing 40 minutes to 1 hour because I was a bit busy and I had to let it stay a bit longer than usual. Now after washing, this is what it looks like. So this is her hair on the very first day that she came to the studio. And Project Hairlo is going to be happening on weekly basis. So the idea is every week she comes to the studio to get her hair done. So, but we'll be washing only 2 weeks with shampoo. Every other week we'll be conditioning and masking, but we will not be using shampoo on weekly basis. We'll be using shampoo only on the second weeks. Okay, so after washing her hair, I went on to use the Moisture Bliss hair butter, which also has a leave-in conditioner attributes too, because it's water based. Okay, it's hydrating too, not just locking in. So it's more like a leave-in conditioner and butter combined together. That is what we have in the product. So I'm making her hair and getting it ready. She'll wear it for like a week, and then we'll change it the next week. So like I said, this is the first day and this is what the hair looks like. Okay, apparently her hair thickness is not bad, but main focus is her edges. All right, and she also complained about her hair being too strong to handle, and manipulating it most times can be quite difficult for her. So after braiding her hair, I went in with the Damo roller, and I went in with the Verdict Bloom oil. Now this oil, I'm not just going to apply it and leave it there. I'm going to massage it into her hair, her scalp and her hair, because most times when you give people hair oil to apply, they just apply it without massaging it. Massaging hair oils into your scalp works amazingly. Massaging your scalp in general works amazingly. We'll be getting the updates on her hair on weekly basis. Okay, so she'll be returning next week. So With this, I am going to be giving her some products to take home so as to be using on daily basis. Now, this product is one Vedic Bloom hair oil and tea bag. Now, this tea bag contains varieties of herbs that she will be using. When she get the tea bag, she'll put it in a hot water, just the way you make normal tea that you drink. Now, she'll put it in a spray container and spray it on her hair and her scalp, massaging it properly and then sealing it with the oil. Now, that is going to be her daily routine. I'll see you in the next video, which is 1 week update. Ciao.